Welcome back to another video editing tutorial using the free software Kdenlive. In this video, we're going to be using Kdenlive to do the green screen chroma key effect. So we'll take a blue background or a green background screen and make it transparent and overlay it over top of another video. So first of all, we need to get some green screen footage. So if you want to follow along, or maybe you already have your own, but if you don't, you can go to pixabay.com. We can get some free green screen footage. Just search under videos and search green screen. And then we'll find a nice thing. So we'll get this, like this butterfly. How about? Yeah, let's just do butterfly. So this is a nice short video, perfect for us. This is by Zemeter. So appreciate that user sharing this with us. Creative Commons 0, free for personal and commercial use. So we'll download this 1920 by 1080, and yeah, we'll use that as our file. So first of all, and then I have another file that we've used in the past, so I'm going to go to my downloads folder. Actually, we'll do this beach one that we've been using. It's kind of fun. And then we'll drag in this green screen of the butterfly. So we take our beach scene first, whatever we want to have be our background video or image, and then our green screen we want to do on top of it. And so I'm going to zoom in here on the timeline so I can see a little bit better what's going on. I'm going to come to the end of this beach scene and resize it down to the length of this video clip of the butterfly. Perfect. So now, and then I'll zoom in even more on the timeline so we can really get a good idea for what's happening here. Perfect. So now if we play this, it just shows the butterfly against a green screen. But underneath, it's playing the video of the beach, of the coastline. We just can't see it because the green screen is, filling up the whole screen. So we need to make that green go away. To do that, we use the Chroma Key. So we can just start typing in, might even be under color, huh? Chroma hold. But come up here and just type in Chroma Key. It's under alpha manipulation. So we want to find Chroma Key, and then we'll just drag Chroma Key over top of the video that has the green screen in it. And it comes up with some options over here under properties. So right now it's saying, what is the color key? It's saying it's blue right now. We could try and set it to green, but it's not really going to work. We need to choose the exact color. So to do that, we use this color picker, and we pick a color, and then click on the color we want, and instantly it goes to full green. Now, this screen was, if we turn this off, look at this. It's not really a screen. This is a 3D rendered, so it's already a perfect green color. If you have a real green screen, you're going to have trouble keying it correctly, possibly. And so you can change this variance. I'll turn this back on. You get this variance here that you can change and see. So now parts of the butterfly are even going transparent. So you can change this variance here to see, to get yours to work properly. But ours worked really good because it's a 3D rendered green screen. All right, now so if we play this, we'll see it'll play the video of the background, and this butterfly is like, wee-hoo, flying around. But it's huge. Maybe we want to change it. So just remember, we can change, if we go to our effects, and then we get rid of this, under crop and transform, we can just apply a transform to this. In addition to the green screen, we can apply a transform, and then we can just transform it, go to the middle so we can kind of see, and then we can just transform it down to, about here. So we can have this butterfly just flying along. Maybe we'll put it over here. And if we click play, it'll just stay that size the whole time and kind of fly, doing its thing. Yeah, that's how I want to do. Look, we can change the rotation of it too. Go back to the middle. So we can actually change the rotation of the butterfly too, so that it looks like it's flying more with the angle of the camera a little bit maybe. Anyway, so that is it. That is as simple as it is using green screen. And again, you'll learn, if you're just getting into green screen, the setup of your green screen, if you're filming your own, getting your lighting perfect is going to make your life a lot easier than trying to key it and change it around in the software. Yeah, hope you found this video informative. That's how you green screen. If you had a blue screen, you could change it. You don't want to change it manually, the color like this. You always want to click on this dot and then left click and select your screen. Yeah, thanks for watching. Join me in the next video. We'll see you then.